Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Win Lab Tech. So today I'm gonna show you how you can go ahead and install VirtualBox in our Windows device. Okay, so let me just go ahead and show you step by step. First, we have to open a browser. In a browser, we'll go ahead and type VirtualBox. So you will see the screen VirtualBox. Just verify the link that will be www.virtualbox.org. Click on it. You will get this screen. Click on download. Once you click on download, you will get option to install it for different OS as in Windows, Mac or Linux. So we are gonna go and install it on Windows. So we'll click on Windows. Once you click on Windows, the download will start. Once the download has been completed, you will see this. Click on open file. Wait for the installation to begin. Click next, accept, next, 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 yes, next, stop. Wait for the installation. Great, the installation has been completed. Now you can go ahead and click on finish. Once everything has been installed properly, you will see this box and it will open automatically. So that's great. We have installed the Oracle VirtualBox. So our next step will be going ahead and running any of the operating systems. Okay, so I will show you that in our next video. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe and comment if you have any specific requirements, or if you want to, or if you're having any issue with your laptop, you can just go ahead and comment and I will try to help you with that. Thank you. Bye bye.